In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and make sure your accounting setup reflects exactly what your business needs. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. If you're not already a user, head to the QuickBooks website and sign up for an account. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and click the Sign In button. Enter your email or user ID, then complete the CAPTCHA by clicking the I'm not a robot checkbox to ensure security. Click Continue when prompted. Afterward, you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Once entered, click Continue again to proceed. If you have multiple company files, select the one you want to work on. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look for the Settings icon. Clicking on this will give you access to multiple features and settings. From there, you need to click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all the magic happens. In the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a complete list of your accounts. Find the one you need to edit. This might be because you want to adjust its type, rename it for better clarity, or change the detail type for reporting purposes. Locate the account you want to edit and click on the drop-down arrow under the Action column next to it. From the list of options that appear, select Edit. This will open up a new window where you can make changes. Depending on your needs, you can modify the account type, adjust the detail type, or simply alter the name to something more fitting for your needs. Once you're happy with the changes, make sure to click Save to apply them. Now here's a tip that might come in handy. If you find yourself with two similar accounts and you'd like to merge them for simplicity and efficiency, QuickBooks allows you to do just that. To merge two accounts, you'll need to rename one to exactly match the name of the other. QuickBooks will detect the duplicate name and prompt you to merge them. This can simplify your chart and keep overlapping categories at bay. Editing and managing your chart of accounts is vital to maintain accurate financial records, customizing your reports, and ensuring your bookkeeping aligns with your business operations. Whether it's renaming categories or merging redundant ones, QuickBooks Online provides flexibility to keep your accounts well-structured and easy to manage. And there you have it. Editing your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know where to look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to tailor your chart to better suit your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and guides.